In the bustling landscape of global manufacturing, China stands as a colossal powerhouse. It's a name synonymous with production, efficiency, and scale. But what makes Chinese manufacturing so dominant? How did this country become the epicenter of global production? This is a question with many layers, and as we peel them back, you'll understand why Chinese manufacturing wins. China's manufacturing prowess didn't emerge overnight. It has deep historical roots in craftsmanship and industry. For centuries, China has been a center of innovation and production, from the Great Wall to silk production and intricate pottery. This cultural heritage laid the groundwork for a society that values skill and adaptability. The Chinese approach to manufacturing is unique because it combines ancient traditions with modern innovation. Manufacturers in China are remarkably adaptable, capable of producing everything from high-tech electronics to simple household items. This flexibility is a critical factor in their success. As markets shift and new trends emerge, Chinese manufacturers can quickly pivot to meet demand. One of the most significant reasons why Chinese manufacturing wins is the sheer scale of production. China has an unparalleled capacity to produce goods in massive quantities. This ability to scale allows manufacturers to achieve economies of scale, reducing the cost per unit and passing on these savings to consumers worldwide. Moreover, China's vast labor force plays a crucial role in cost efficiency. While wages are increasing, they are still relatively lower than in many Western countries. This difference in labor costs, coupled with the efficiency of production, makes it possible for Chinese manufacturers to offer competitive pricing on a global scale. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this exploration of why Chinese manufacturing wins, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Moving on, another reason for China's dominance in manufacturing is its robust supply chains and infrastructure. China's extensive network of suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors creates a seamless flow of goods. This interconnectedness reduces production delays and ensures a steady stream of materials. The infrastructure in China is also designed to support large-scale manufacturing. With world-class ports, highways, and railways, China can move goods quickly and efficiently. This logistical advantage makes it easier for manufacturers to export products globally, further solidifying China's role as a manufacturing hub. Chinese manufacturing isn't just about cheap labor and high-volume production. In recent years, China has made significant strides in technological advancements and innovation. The rise of tech hubs like Shenzhen has transformed the manufacturing landscape, allowing Chinese companies to produce cutting-edge electronics and other high-tech products. Chinese manufacturers are also embracing automation and robotics to improve efficiency and precision. These technological advancements enhance productivity and help Chinese manufacturers stay ahead of the competition. The focus on innovation ensures that China remains at the forefront of global manufacturing. The Chinese government plays a significant role in supporting the manufacturing sector. Policies and incentives designed to attract foreign investment and promote domestic manufacturing have contributed to the industry's growth. Additionally, China's Made in China 2025 initiative underscores the government's commitment to advancing manufacturing and technology. This government support fosters an environment where manufacturing can thrive. It encourages innovation, promotes research and development, and provides the resources necessary for growth. This level of government backing is a crucial element in China's manufacturing success story. Chinese manufacturing success can be attributed to a winning formula that combines historical craftsmanship, economies of scale, robust supply chains, technological advancements, and government support. This unique blend has catapulted China to the forefront of global manufacturing, and there's no sign of slowing down. While there are challenges and criticisms such as environmental concerns and labor practices, China continues to innovate and adapt. The country's ability to evolve and meet the demands of a changing world ensures its position as a manufacturing leader. As we look to the future, Chinese manufacturing will undoubtedly play a significant role in shaping global industry trends. The journey ahead will be exciting, and we hope you'll stay with us for more insights into this dynamic world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay connected. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.